The Honor 70 series has been unveiled. It features 3 models, including the first number series flagship since the 30 Pro Plus. The Honor 70 Pro and Pro Plus are quite similar, differing mainly in the choice of chipset. The vanilla Honor 70 stands as the affordable version. Therefore, half a year after the release of the Honor 60 series, the Honor 70 series also arrived as scheduled. With a clearer positioning, the Honor 70 series further emphasizes the most significant aesthetic genes of the Honor Digital series, and has made bold comprehensive advancements in the fields of performance, camera, and fast charging. I got the Honor 70 Pro, and now it is the first time to offer the evaluation experience. Compared with the previous generation Honor 60 Pro, this time the Honor 70 Pro also continues the thin, light and high-value appearance level, but the changes in details are quite obvious. For example, in the process appearance of the rear camera module and the rear shell, the Honor 70 Pro continues the classic dual mirror appearance, but the shape has changed from the previous circle to the current fan shape symmetry. The entire image module is divided into upper and lower parts. The Miss Sans color scheme of the Honor 70 Pro Plus also adopts a similar rhombus texture appearance, but the back shell is superimposed with a matte texture. When the phone is flipped left and right, the rhombus texture will show 2 textures of light gold in the Aurora, which is amazing. It is difficult to show the beauty of the Honor 70 series phones under the static proofs of the lens, so if you are interested in this product, the author still recommends going offline to experience it for yourself. Finally, in terms of body size and weight, the dimensions of the Honor 70 Pro are 163.9 by 74.6 by 8.18 mm, and the weight is 192 grams. The front and back curved surfaces are developed to give the Honor 70 Pro a good grip. Still pretty good. However, the plastic middle frame is still used. Although it is at least indistinguishable from the look and feel, the difference in the feel of the touch still exists. This is a pity. Going back to the front, the Honor 70 Pro adopts a fully symmetrical 4-curved screen appearance. The 4 corners have a natural transition. The curvature on both sides is smaller than that of the Honor Magic 4 Pro, which is a normal level. The upper and lower ends of the screen are slightly curved. A punch hole is used in the center of the screen, and the front camera is a 50-megapixel AI super sensing camera. In addition, the entire Honor 70 series comes standard with 120Hz high refresh rate. Among them, Honor 70 Pro and Honor 70 Pro Plus support 4 refresh rate modes: Smart 120, 90 and 60 Hz, and it is understandable not to support LTPO. After all, LTPO is usually exclusive to top flagships. This screen has a size of 6.78 inches, 2652 by 1200 pixel resolution, supports 1.07 billion color display, DCI-P3 wide color gamut, supports video quality enhancement, video clarity enhancement, and HDR Vivid certified. In general, this is a screen of quite good quality. The main core advantage is the rare high-frequency PWM dimming of the same level. If you are quite sensitive to OLED, then this screen of Honor 70 Pro, at least you can use it with confidence. In the core performance part, the Honor 70 Pro is equipped with the Dimensity 8000 processor, while the Honor 70 Pro Plus is equipped with the Dimensity 9000, and the performance part is directly upgraded to the flagship level. Dimensity 8000 is a very well-received chip at the moment, and it takes into account performance, power consumption, heat dissipation, and is a rare good chip. Other configuration aspects, including UFS 3.1 storage, and the OS Turbo X and GPU Turbo X tuning technologies that the original team of the Honor Turbo team personally worked on. In terms of fuselage temperature, the maximum temperature for both front and back is about 44 degrees. Of course, the heat sensation must exist, mainly concentrated in the upper part of the fuselage. In the same test environment, even under the condition that the scene details option in the Genshin Impact game is not extremely high, the average frame rate of the Dimensity 8000 mobile phone tested by the author is basically around 50 FPS, and the Honor 70 Pro is as high as 56 FPS. Let's take a brief look at the camera hardware of the Honor 70 Pro. Main camera has a 54-megapixel IMX800 main camera, 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle macro camera and 8-megapixel 3x optical zoom camera, and supports OIS and EIS dual image stabilization. The IMX800 sensor is not only launched by the Honor 70 series, but also standard in all systems. It is also supported by the Honor Image Engine computing imaging platform and raw domain algorithms. The Honor 70 Pro also supports full focus HDR. The first impression of the Honor 70 Pro main camera sample is quite pleasing. The picture is transparent, and the brightness is slightly increased. The colors of the buildings, sky, and seawater captured are very comfortable, and the colors and exposure are normal, and there is basically nothing wrong with them. Finally, let's take a look at the fast charging performance of the Honor 70 Pro. It is equipped with a 100-watt super fast charging. The Honor 70 Pro can be charged to more than 30% in 10 minutes, and can be charged to about 60% in 15 minutes. It only takes 30 minutes to fully charge. If the Honor 60 series is a product that focuses on camera creativity, then the Honor 70 series is a product that is developed in an all-round way in addition to inheriting this camera creativity. In terms of performance, the Dimensity 8000 trained by the Honor Turbo team further amplifies the advantages of this chip in terms of performance and power consumption. The performance of games such as Genshin Impact can even compete with the current flagship phone. As for fast charging and software experience, the Honor 70 Pro is basically the flagship level. Thank you for my first hands-on video about the new Honor 70 Pro smartphone. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments below. Have a nice day, and see you soon.